Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Casio G-Shock GRB100. And first I want to remind you that we're here at Continental Diamond in St. Louis Park, Minnesota, where this watch is available on sale brand new at a retail price of $300. Now additionally, I would like to remind you that I'll be dropping a link in the description to their website. And then I have another reminder, actually. I have a current Kickstarter campaign for a watch that I designed. This is the Hoagland & Sons Mark I Chronograph. It has a mecha quartz movement, so it has the look and feel of a mechanical watch, but the accuracy of a quartz watch. So in order to activate the chronograph on this piece, you hit the top pusher, and as you can see, like a mechanical watch, it has a smooth seconds hand, and then when you reset the chronograph, just again like a mechanical watch, it will reset very quickly back to zero. Furthermore, this watch has a tachymeter scale on the dial, as well as unit conversion and world time scales on the case back. I wanted to make this watch as useful as possible for traveling. It was a pleasure to design. This watch is available on Kickstarter for $149. That price will go up after the Kickstarter campaign is funded on October 14th to $249, so it does behoove you to purchase this watch as soon as possible. I'll be dropping a link in the description to the Kickstarter campaign as well. So now let's move on to the GRB100. So this is part of the G-Shock Gravitymaster collection, and that is basically a pilot's watch collection. And you can really tell that this watch is meant to be kind of an aviation piece, just due mainly to the large hands on the watch. It's meant to be extremely legible. Furthermore, you have large text on that digital display, as you can see, and you have a variety of functions that are useful for flying. So this watch is capable of connecting to the G-Shock Connected app, which lets you set the watch more accurately and more easily, but you can also actually use it as a flight tracker, so you can log your position using just the watch from the watch, and it will kind of connect through your phone, and it'll mark your position and the time that you were there on your phone. So it's a super useful aviation feature. And then this watch has many of the standard G-Shock features as well. So right now I'm on the world time feature, so you can set it different time zones, and uniquely it actually displays the full name of the city in that time zone that you're kind of referring to. And that's unique because usually it just has like the 3-letter designation on most G-Shocks, but they chose to include the full name just to utilize that full display. So moving on from the world time, you have a stopwatch feature, which is your standard stopwatch, as you can see, and it actually goes to 3 decimal places, which is a little bit overkill for a stopwatch, but I absolutely love that attention to detail and functionality. Now getting on to the other features, so it has a timer and then an alarm feature. So that's kind of the standard G-Shock feature. Now I'm back to normal, so you have time with date. So that's a very nice kind of set of features for this piece to have. And again, the retail price of $300 is fair considering you get all that connectivity to the G-Shock app. Now one thing it is missing is it does not have a compass like many of the other higher end G-Shock models, and that's what really differentiates this watch in terms of price. So now I'll try this watch on for a wrist shot. So this watch is rather large. It's rather thick as well, but again, it's an aviation watch. It's meant to be large. So I think that if you have a really small wrist, it might look a little bit tacky, but if you have a large to medium wrist, I would consider myself to have a medium wrist of about a 6.5-inch wrist circumference. I think it should look totally fine. So if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and share, and also check out the Kickstarter campaign for the Hoagland & Sons Mark I Chronograph. Share it with your friends. We're really trying to get this funded. It's been an absolute joy to have this project completed. So thank you for watching.